Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to measure curved seams.
So firstly, mark on your seam allowance. So this is 6 mil seam allowance on this pattern. I'm going to use my pattern master to just mark this on. When you do this, try to use a sharp pencil because otherwise it won't be particularly accurate. So the way we measure curves is to use a tape measure. So take your tape measure and put it on its edge. And then obviously put the 0 there. Walk it along the seam, the edge that you've just marked. And I've got 27 centimetres, and then that's how to easily measure a curve.